Hello, it's Karen here, welcoming you to the second module in your programme. And now, having worked through Module 1, which was setting the context for change, you've actually defined your starting point for change. You've established your baseline now in readiness for the next part of your transitional journey. And now you're ready to make a start, even though you've no idea where your final destination may be. And so, congratulations, you really are now well and truly on your way. And having made those preparations in Module 1, I expect you're really keen now to get going and, think about exactly how you're going to set about closing that gap between, where you are and where you want to be. And now you probably don't need reminding that this gap isn't particularly comfortable. I'm well aware of that, but I do want to mention that however uncomfortable it may feel, it is actually perfectly normal to experience such feelings. And please keep in mind that any sort of discomfort that you feel is there for a reason. And your discomfort is alerting you to the fact that you are changing. And those, what I call heavy feelings that you may be experiencing right now, and by heavy feelings I mean things like maybe regret, disappointment, frustration, maybe tinged with a bit of panic as well. These are, if you like, your very own alarm bells. And they're actually telling you that it is indeed time for change, and that you're now ready to move up to the next level of your development or evolution, if you like. Now, as we well know, these feelings can immobilise us and keep us well and truly stuck. But when we actually listen to our internal voice and confront these feelings, well, that's when we slowly begin to recognise the sort of transformative potential of this time. And that's when the alchemy happens and midlife becomes a pretty unique opportunity to turn these heavy sort of leaden feelings into personal gold. Now, in this next module, which is called the Genesis of Change, you're moving into the discovery phase of your journey, and this is where you're going to actively engage with the process of change, your change. And I really hope you enjoy this next phase, and I'd like to urge you to embrace this space and actually choose to see change as your friend and not the enemy, and that this is not a limbo, but it's actually a precious chance to pause, to explore new possibilities which are going to enable you to make new choices. Now, before you make a start, I'd just like you to take a look at the document at the bottom of this page about journaling, because many clients find it extremely valuable to write an offline journal to accompany this part of the process. So take a look at that document and see if that's something that you think you would like to do as you work through this next module. Okay, bye for now.